Kids Learning Express. Today we are going to see single number in divisions. Okay, now let me see. This is tens and this is ones now. So we will do it now. Already you people know tables and all, so I am directly doing 1 3s are 3. Next this 6 down, minus பண்ணச்சுனா 0, 2 3s are 6, so 0. Okay, next this method also we can use. Already we are using this method only. Now this is a new method I am teaching you. So 3 tens plus 6 ones, okay, divided by 3. It is like that only, no? Okay, next 3 tens divided by 3 plus 6 ones divided by 3. Okay, next 3 divided by 3 bracket tens plus 6 divided by 3, this one is ones. So 3 one time you can divide. Okay, 110 plus 6 divided by 3, 2 3s are 6, no? So 2 ones. So the answer is 110 plus 2, 10 plus 2 12, no? So the same answer we got, no? 12. Okay, this is the way also we can use it. Okay children, next we will do the another sum. 484 divided by 4. Okay, 1 4s are 4, minus 0. Next 8, 2 4s are 8, 0. Next 4, 1 4s are 4, 0. The answer we got is quotient 121 and remainder 0. We will see next one more sum also in division. Okay children.